Sleep S5, open the S4 voltage. Sleep S4, open the S3 voltage. S3 voltage. Okay, sleep S3, open the S0 voltage. Okay, this voltage.
Thank you, Master Liu, for your MacBook training course. The standout feature of this course is the natural learning progression.
Thank you a lot. I learned so much, and I will not forget you. Thank you, Master. Bye.
I learned a lot from him, and I hope you will learn a lot from him too. Thank you, everyone. Good luck.
I want to learn new things and new ways of repairing MacBooks. Thank you, Master.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Master.
Thanks very much for the classes, for the lectures. I so much appreciate it. Kudos, Master.
I follow the Master Liu course. After 1 month, now I understand more about the schematic on both level repair.
Thank you, Master Liu, for your patience with me. I know I'm a difficult one.